agriculture is where food and clothes come from. In China, farming has a history of 8,000 or 9,000 years. Starting from 1958, Yijia Machinery, transformed from a state-owned enterprise, absorbs the wisdom accumulated from experience of Chinese agricultural civilization for thousands of years, starts to focus on the research, development and production of agricultural tillage, and line preparation machinery, and key spare parts. After developing for 6 decades, Yijia has now become a scientific and technological enterprise integrating research, development, production, sales, and services with 158 employees, 18 engineering and technological staff, and covering over 40,000 square meters. Its products are sold to 63 countries and regions, including America, Australia, France, Germany, Commonwealth of Independent States, Pakistan, Thailand, Africa, and South America. On average, the annual self-managed export volume is up to $10 million. With 10 product patents, 6 honorary qualifications, the enterprise has been honored Golden Prizes and Innovation Awards for 3 consecutive years. Since 2016, Yijia has been credited as a leading Chinese enterprise of agricultural machinery spare parts by China Association of Agricultural Machinery Manufacturers. From 2010, Yijia has remained the golden supplier and exporter of Alibaba. The main products of Yijia include agricultural tillage and land preparation machinery and accessories that are accessories to 12-310 HP, and harvesting machinery, and casting and forgings, etc. The products can serve as accessories to not only domestic tractors such as YTO, LOVOL, Weifeng tractor, Tianjin tractor, Shanghai tractor, Yangcheng tractor, Changzhou tractor, but also foreign tractor brands such as John Deere, CNH Industrial, Massey Ferguson, and Kubota. Yijia is the first manufacturer researching and developing disc blade made from boron steel in China, in order to guarantee the stability and superiority of its own products and meet the huge market needs at domestic and foreign. Yijia has signed exclusive supply agreements with Angang Steel Group and installed high-tech production equipment such as decoiler machines, automatic feeders, and industrial robot arms successfully. On the basis of this advanced casting, forging, and mechanical processing technologies, Yijia has invested in 2 production lines of terminal treatment and 2 spring lines successfully, and equipped itself with the ability to produce 10,000 sets of tractor-drawn plough and harrows and 1 million pieces of disc every year. Nowadays, Yijia has become a private enterprise with the largest export and productivity of agricultural plough and harrow discs in China, and the sole supplier of plough and harrow disc in Asia designated by Kubota, Thailand. Today, Yijia has opened up the market with its credit and become a popular producer of agricultural machinery parts among clients with its quality and services. Now Yijia has invested its energy, capital, and manpower in research, development, and innovation to welcome a new pattern and broader market, setting food in the wisdom of Chinese agriculture with an eye to international top technologies, and sticking on scientific and technological innovation to make new achievements in the field of modern agriculture. This is Yijia.